Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to hide Chrome history. First, we'll explore using incognito mode, which prevents your browsing activity from being saved locally. Then, I'll show you how to manually clear specific parts of your history, giving you control over what remains. Finally, we'll touch on some advanced settings and extensions that can further enhance your privacy. Let's dive in and keep your browsing private. Incognito mode is your first line of defense for private browsing. To open an incognito window, simply press Ctrl, Shift, and N on Windows or Command, Shift, and N on Mac. While in this mode, Chrome will not save your browsing history, cookies, or site data. Remember, any files you download or bookmarks you create will still be saved to your device, so manage those as needed. If you've already browsed and want to remove traces, clearing your data is key. Go to Chrome Settings, then find Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Here, you can choose a time range from the last hour to all time. You can also select exactly what to delete, such as browsing history, cookies, or cached files, giving you precise control over your digital footprint. For even greater privacy, consider using Chrome extensions designed to block trackers or manage cookies more aggressively. Also, remember to review your Google activity controls, which allow you to pause or delete web and app activity saved to your Google account. This gives you another layer of control over your data. And hey, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.